also joined with Leanne this afternoon, and we've got Stacey and Emma as well. So we're all going to be trying to introduce our birds to our fantastic new arena that, of course, we have been built this afternoon. So we are very, very thankful. Now we are just going to walk around first of all, just introduce the birds to it, see how they're feeling about all these new things that is around them. So of course they are going to be a bit spooked by all these new things. It is all brand new to them and they don't really like changes, your birds. Parrots are really intelligent, so they've got the mental age of a 3 to 4 year old child. So we do have to do lots of different things to keep them nice and stimulated, but doing things that are new and introducing new items takes a long time. Look, Merlin, you've got a little nut on there. Do you fancy going over? Having a look, look. Oh, new items. And then see, oh, we're going to go for the, yay, there you go, Wilma. Well done. Just pulling it up. So this is a great way to show you guys natural behaviours that our parrots would do out in the wild. So as you can see, Wilma there, she's pulling up that coconut pot. She's using her beak and her feet together in order to get to the nut. That's a really good thing that she's done there, because that's a brand new environment for her to start playing with that. Oh, Wilma, well done. She's even swinging on the perch. So they eat trees to forage for their food, they eat fruits, nuts, berries, things like that. Really important. So if you look for this logo, we're going to hold it again. Thank you. Very helpful. If you look for this logo, it's a really easy way to help to mitigate against deforestation and help with to protect loads and loads of species too. And the final one to talk about is rubbish. Also, we buy pet forces, so we see things scary. All that's going to teach her is that I'm not very nice, and she's not going to want to be near me. So by training, making it positive, making it fun, making it
and thinking about more about your bird with a heart condition. And kind of more using more of the space and kind of moving around a bit more and taking up advantage of some of the things that you're not currently using. So this kind of post that's just freestanding.
Yeah.
We're then hoping to attach a ladder to the part of this post.
Oh wow.
Coming over to this post
Lovely.
here.
Yeah, that's great.
So that your bird with the heart condition can actually get from the back, come all the way across and actually make its way down to the table without having to fly.
Ah,
so
brilliant.
that should be nice. And also we may just carry that onto this post here so that you've got something, you know, connecting the two to make use of that post. And then having a foraging station
Over
either
there.
hanging off of or on top of the top of there. So when you're doing your sort of, you know, go off and find your food, they've got a couple of places that they can go around and find.
That sounds great.
And then there's another post here to obviously attach the rope from our bird box there.
To the little
Yeah,
nesting.
exactly. So
Hey,
it
yes,
connects,
you can link the two behaviours together. I love
exactly.
it. That's great.
Okay, we've got a couple more bits as well.
So we want to create a puzzle box with perspex front attached
I'm
to
here.
the wall. We're going to create some small discs of wood for them to drop through, and they'll bounce down like that.
A holy one. We're going to fix it first.
Yeah. Okay, cool. That's fine.
Yeah.
And then and I'll have this come this way.
Do you want to do it?
Those on here.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Close. Try again. This one in there. In there. Yo, in here. Yay! Yes, please somebody get a nest box.
I don't need to reject it. This is going to really happen. To be honest, I'd rather it not.
I'm going to keep cheering. I'll do it. I'll put the stick in the hole.
Yes. Love it.
No, the bird.
You guys going on?
I'm just going
He's like, where do I put it? Where do I put it? In there! Yeah! Why are you so cool? I'm so clever. Bring it to me.